Today, I'm going to show you how to take down growth quickly with a Rockwell 6C R6 blade with a Gillette Nacet blade. Stick around. Simpson synthetic T3 knot soaking in the water. And I'm just going to wring some of that out. And I'm going to be using Executive Man. And I'm just going to go right into the puck and do a face lather. That should be enough. Let me add some water to my face. And I'm going to go in. Now it's going to go in a little dry. But I'm going to add water to it, actually a lot of water to it, and hydrate the heck out of my face. And I'm going to show you how efficient a Rockwell 6C is with the R6 plate. Going in for more water. More water. More water. What I've noticed is when I go for more water about 4 or 5 times, it starts to pop, meaning it really starts to lather up to right where you want it. You can see that I cut in a beard this week, and I'm going to take it off real quick with this razor setup. But what it comes down to is, what setup do you guys use to take down growth or, your everyday shave? Me, it all depends on what blade I use. Go in for some more water. And then generally what I do, whatever's left in there, I'll pull it out like so. And now I'll just start painting it on my face just to keep it well hydrated underneath. All right, the first pass with the Rockwell 6C, I'm going to go with the grain. Razor does such a great job. Very efficient. Onto the other side, same thing. Look at all that. Beautiful. Against the grain, I'm sorry, with the grain neck, my hair on my neck grows up. Perfect. All right, let me give that a rinse. All right, so first pass. I mean it. Down here I still have some, which, you know, I'll do some touch up down there, but that's how efficient this R6 plate is when you find a blade that you like. So I'm just gonna go touch up my neck. Just put a little cream down here that's left on my brush. I don't need much down there because there's not much left. So maybe a little bit up here. Okay, let me give that a rinse. All right, so I'm going to go over that with a alum block because it's good. No stinging up top. Well, a little bit right here. Nothing here or there. Down here, nothing. I mean, that setup is, for me, my favorite setup. And man, is it very efficient. I mean, that was a week's worth of growth in that little, you know, beard that I have that I just took off in one pass. Awesome. All right, so after I use the alum block, I'll go back through, rinse it off, pat my face dry. Then I always finish everything off with some Nivea shaving balm. I really like this stuff. It's inexpensive and, you know, it does a great job. All right. Well, thanks for watching, and you guys have a great weekend.